Yeah, today is the 6th of February. I need to get a little tripod for this antique camera. Anyway, maybe y'all can watch me roll a few cigarettes here. This little machine is actually a heck of a lot of fun. I like it. I got a view out my picture window to my bird feeder and watering station. Normally I got the radio turned up, but I can't do that while you all are watching. Again, there's folks on YouTube saying that no, you can do a pack, that's 20 cigarettes, in under 2 minutes. A hell of a lot faster than I am. But again, I'm not setting any speed records. I'm just up here rolling my own to beat the tax man. Tried to use my little Teflon tool. It's either or. I can't see an improvement. I can't see a detraction. The main thing is getting the proper amount of tobacco into this area before you pack the chamber. And like I said before, what I'm using is real tobacco. It's not the crap they use at the cigarette factories. They add, believe it or not, of course they use a blended tobacco, which is what I'm using, but they'll add nicotine coated ground up paper to adjust the nicotine content so they all test the same. That's where you got a lot of your harshness on factory made cigarettes, is you're smoking paper. Yeah, it's just a fall spring day again. A little over 60 degrees down here. I actually mowed the grass out front just a minute ago. And I'm in the old white Ford. I've got my Ram at my mechanic putting on a Banks intake to get rid of a catastrophic failure point on the Cummins grid heater. I'll do a video of that when they get done. You can look it up. Look up Cummins grid heater failure. You'll see what I'm talking about. Everybody's amazed that they haven't done a class action lawsuit yet. It's not a safety problem. It just trashes your engine. And I guess Ram and Cummins say, well, sorry for your bad. The Banks upgrade is the same price as a dealership replacement of the same faulty grid heater, by the way. And the Banks upgrade eliminates that point of failure completely. And but yeah, I'm just, there's my old white Ford. They'll be done with my Ram in a day or two. Just kind of enjoying the day. And but yeah, we are more mowing grass down here already. I fertilized my little triangle there. Fertilizer helps kill weeds, by the way. And got rain to set it. So what I'm mowing is just winter grasses and weeds. And my little tomatoes ain't doing nothing yet. Tomatoes, pepper, okra, all that. Still a little early. If I don't see anything by this coming Saturday, I'll start doing a little bit of digging up and see what's going on. By Saturday, I should see something popping out of the potting mix I used. So, after I put all the cow manure and everything and tilled and raked and Did all the other stuff on my garden spot. This is the end result. I think every one of my onions doing just fine. Hard to kill an onion. And so again, I got some kind of critter digging. I got a good track, but I don't know what the heck it is. There it is there. I don't know. It's something living inside the lot or has found a way inside the lot. And I don't know what it would be. This track I don't recognize. It wasn't very defined. I got a rake and smooth that. Yeah, I will this summer. I got some kind of critter getting in here, and
Critter got in there?
it keeps digging holes, and I can't find a decent enough track to figure out what it is.
Put it all together.
Except that hole was about that big around and about that deep.
Put it all together if possible. There's too many coons around there.
No. I don't know.
Yeah.
I got a bunch of game cameras at the house. I put one down here just for this garden area. I got cameras all over this damn building, but it ain't picking up what's digging.
Is that broccoli there?
No, it's kale.
Kale?
Yeah. So whatever it is.
Yeah, have a good day, sir.
You too. This track is pretty deep. It's got pads on it. So it's something fairly heavy. I don't know what it is. Could be a dog.
Yeah, it might be an old dog.
Yeah. Anyway, enjoy your day.
You too, sir. Have a good one.
So anyway, I was talking to one of the neighborhood guys. He's thinking possum, armadillo. One of the tracks I saw was pretty deep, pretty good size. Could be a dog. Don't know. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. That's all for this one. Thank you.